Hello, and welcome to this week's special Celebration Assembly.
Hello to everybody out there. A very happy Friday to our pupils who are out of school, our pupils in school, and of course your extended families. I hope everyone's okay during these tricky times. So this week we had some great news in Google Classrooms started up for our different classes. I got to see about, over 20 of my pupils' faces today, and it was wonderful. And I know that talking to the other teachers, it was lovely to see you guys. So thanks for joining in, and let's obviously continue with that next week and moving forwards. It's been lovely to see you. Obviously continue to also do your purple mash work as well that runs alongside it, and just let us know, of course, if you ever have any difficulties. We're now doing the 2 nominations for this week's celebration assembly. So my first person that I'd like to nominate is James in year 6. James has been sending me some really beautiful evocative poetry with some really powerful language and figurative language. I've been really impressed, James, as well as all the great maths work and the other work that you've been sending me. So thanks, James. Keep that going. And the other person I'd like to give the Significant Achievement Award to is Amreen. Amreen has been doing some fantastic work as well, sending me a speech that she wrote for Ellie Simmons, the Paralympian, as well as poems, excellent maths work, and some great artwork today. So keep it going. It was a tough choice, but I'm now going to hand over to Miss O'Reilly. Bye.
Thanks, Mr. Bullflower. Hi, Year 5. I have to say, it was so nice to see you all in Google Classrooms this week. Our significant achievements this week are for Abdullah and Sophia, who've both been blowing me out of the water with all of their fantastic work. Sophia, your writing is exceptional. And Abdullah, I've really been loving your maths. You've both been working so hard. And I'm so looking forward to seeing you back in school. Over to Mr. John.
Hello, Year 4. It's Mr. John here. It's really nice to say hello to you all. I hope you're all keeping safe. First of all, thank you all for doing so much amazing work on Purple Mash. It's really great to see how you're all working so hard and you're trying your best at all the different tasks that are on there. So keep up the hard work, and it's just fantastic seeing all your pieces of work. There are 2 people in particular, though, I want to give a special mention to as part of our celebration assembly, and they are Ehsan and Sunny. Both of you have continuously sent in work since the beginning of this lockdown, and it's really high quality. You're both putting fantastic effort into it, and I'm really proud of you, and Miss Grundy is really proud of you as well. So boys, keep up the hard work, stay safe, and I'll hopefully see you all soon.
Good morning, St. Paul's, and welcome to another special assembly. I just want to say a big thank you again to Year 3 for doing the work on Purple Mash. Please keep it up. As you can see, I'm actually in our classroom today, but obviously no children. I do miss you all though. So the first nomination is for Jahawash for his fabulous light experiment. Jahawash, you have worked really hard to carry out this investigation, so thank you so much for that. Well done. And the other person I've nominated is Ali for your great description work in our literacy unit. We've been reading this book called Gorilla City, and I really like the way you have used quotation marks from the story to help set out your work. So thank you for that, very impressive. Thank you to everyone who's been doing their work, and I will see you all soon. Take care, stay safe, and bye. Bye-bye.
Hello Year 2, I hope you've had a really good week. I was so excited to see lots of you on Google Classrooms this week. I would really like it when we do our next session if we could get our whole class together. This week for our significant achievements, I would like to nominate 2 people. The first person I would like to nominate is Rafan. Rafan, you're new to our class, and I'm so sorry that we haven't all been able to meet you in person, but it was lovely to see you in our Google Classroom session, And I've been so impressed with the work that you've been doing on Purple Mash and the things that you've been sending in. So well done to you. I was particularly impressed with the superhero that you created. It was a bee. So well done to you. Very, very impressed. Secondly, I'd like to nominate Ethan. Ethan, you are such a hard-working boy. You're hard-working in class when we're all in school, and I can see at home you are equally as hard-working. You've been sending in your maths, you've been doing lots of writing, you've been doing Times Table Rock Stars. I am absolutely blown away by the work that you've been doing. Keep it up. And for the rest of you, I can see you've been working hard as well. Keep going. I can see what you're doing, and I'm so, so proud of you. Have a lovely weekend, and see you next week. Take care.
Hello Year 1, hope you're well, hope you're all keeping safe. It's that time, significant achievements. So my first certificate will be going to Nuha. Nuha, very well done for completing your work across all your subjects, submitting it through Purple Mash and through email. I've really enjoyed reading it back. In particular, you've made extra effort in making some fab polar puppets to support your learning in science, which is all about polar explorers. And I can see that you've watched the March of the Penguins, which is all about emperor penguins. Hope you've enjoyed it. Please keep up the good work. My next certificate will be going to Ariana Hussain. Ariana Hussain, 10 out of 10, very well done. You've been accessing all the work as well in all the subjects. In particular, you've made a great start to our unit in literacy, which is all about poems. And you've been looking at a poem by Spike Milligan. I've seen that you've recalled your favourite rhyming words and you've been able to use your phonics to write that down. Very well done, keep it up. Take care, Year 1, and now over to reception class.
Hello butterflies. The nominations for this week is, the first one goes to Amira. Well done Amira for always being on task and finishing your online work. You have done some amazing work, keep it up. And the next one goes to Musa. You have done some fantastic literacy work this week. Keep up all your hard work. Well done. Bye butterflies, I hope to see you soon.
Hello everybody and hello nursery class. This week's nominations are, first, Zayden. Well done for completing so much of the work on Purple Mash. I'm so impressed and it's always really lovely to see all the things that you've done, so well done. And my second nomination goes to Fatima. Thank you for bringing back your learning pack and completing all of the work. It's really good to see. Well done to all of the nursery class, and now over to the prayer.
Lord, thank you for our families, thank you for our friends. At the moment, we are staying home and we are sad because we miss our friends. Please keep us safe. Amen.
Until next time, goodbye.